But you upload the Hang Kang video.
Not yet.
Hey, yo! Did you upload the Hang Kang video?
Not yet.
Hey, yo! Did you do the Hang Kang video?
Not yet. Klein, this is it. But wait. For those of you who are watching this video and are planning to go to Hong Kong, most probably may mga listahan na kayo sa pupuntahan. Maybe Ocean Park, Nong Ping Island, Avenue Stars, Macau, Hong Kong Disneyland, and so on and so forth. But have you heard of Lion Rock? Maybe a little bit or nothing at all. And since nanonood kayo dito and kinukulit na ako ng anak ko to upload this video, let me show you why you should consider Lion Rock in your Hong Kong travel list. Ready? Roll the intro!
Dear Maverick, remember last time?
Yay! What? What cable car is this? Guys, what kind of cable car is this? Guys, we're gonna post a video. Ate, salamat po.
Yeah, I know. Tomorrow, come here working in the house, okay?
Ma'am, where are you?
Lion Rock,
Mom. Mom.
Klein!
Dad! Can you give me a phone to play?
Klein! Oh. So hindi pa kami nag-start and we have a chocolate break.
Hindi pa nag-start, may chocolate break na.
So what's that for, ma'am?
Unit pa natin si mama. Nilamig.
Nilamig.
May break agad.
And look, our hiker. Kompletong kompleto pero pagdating sa baba, ayun oh.
Because of the ungrown.
Oh.
Kunin yun ng monkey. Oh.
So we are on the Shatin Pass, guys. Shatin Pass. Pa ikaw, kamusta dyan?
Okay.
Okay naman?
What about me?
Oh, how about you?
Brookhaven.
Brookhaven. How's the party? Pa okay yan pa. Chocolate.
Ikaw, Klein. Klein?
Good morning. It's day 4 and we are in the Shatin Pass. Oh, Shatin Pass. And we are about to hike the hike what?
Is it a Lion Rock, Mom?
Yes.
Yes.
A Lion Rock.
So we will hike the Lion's Rock. So ito yung landmark ng Singapore na may Lion's Rock.
Dad, will you give me a reward if I reach the top and I will play Roblox?
Yes. Oh, yes, I will give you the reward. So we just waiting.
Pero may iihian naman along the way.
Ay, yun hindi ko alam kung merong iyan. Siguro meron naman, may mga toilet naman siguro doon.
Bukid may papel.
Sa bukid walang papel. Uy!
So, ayan. Ang nangyari kanina is hindi yan pa temple yan eh. So, ang nangyari kanina, doon kami binaba sa kabilang side, which is dapat dito sa tamang side. So, pinikot na lang namin. So,
Mom, say hello to the vlog.
Hello, vlog.
So who's coming with us? Who's coming with me? Mom,
Present.
Dad,
present.
Lola. Lola. Ah,
Do you have hiccups?
Lola.
I say
Taking a picture.
Why is
Later
Lola?
on, we take the...
Why is Lola so long? Lola.
It's okay.
Guys, Lola's so long, and this.
taxi coming down.
And there might be a taxi coming down. And this road is narrow. Oh my God. I almost get hiccups. And this is the white concrete. So if the water seats there, is that white concrete, they will fall. And then this is the place. So this is the pathway, and this
The buildings.
we can see the buildings, guys. Look, there's the buildings. Watch.
There's the building, guys. There's the building.
And is this Mr. Tree? Oh, there's a car! There's a car! Woo! Guys, there's a car. Look.
So, guys, we took the 5-minute break and mga 34 minutes na kaming naglalakad simula sa Shatin Pass. So, pwedeng dumaan sa sasakyan dito.
Shatin Pass pa rin to eh.
Shatin Pass, pero starting yun eh, Kumbaga Road. So, Shatin Pass pa rin pala do. So, 34 minutes. So, pwedeng lalakarin mo lang all the way para ka ng kalsada. Tapos, at the end of this, siguro may temple. And then, pagdating, wala pa.
Mukha bang 1 kilometer?
Pagdating sa may temple, siguro doon pala mag-start yung mismong ascent na lakad-lakad. First landmark, yung temple. And then the second landmark is the staircase there. But they allow us. Meron kami nakitang taga dito. So sabi nila, take na lang namin itong road. Kahit wag na raw to. See how. Total, nandito man na lahat sila. So guys,
Hello, guys.
we reached the
This
entrance
is the
to, ito na yung start ng start ng ascent.
This is the
So makita mo yung side na yan,
And
yung
guys,
Lions
let's
Rock
make a glitch.
Country Park. So ayun na. So merong Y dito na iikot dyan. Ito isang road pero papunta sa, ito na yung start ng hike. Ayan. Ayan yung start ng hike. And we start the hiking in 3, 2, 1. So guys, ayan na. Packet na kami.
Today we're going to hike.
So ayan, packet na kami. O, tingin mo na ma.
Feel good.
O, feel good muna. Ayan. Let's say mamaya pagdating sa taas.
Isang sarili ka.
Let's go. So start na kami ng trail. So ito yung trail niya. Let's see. Pakita ko sa inyo yung trail na dito sa Lions Rock. That when you climb a mountain on the trail, there's a 3-part of that trail on the group. The first one is the lead, which is Lolo. The second one is the middle, which is me, Lola, and you. And the last one is the tail, which is Mommy.
Mom?
Yes.
Guys, it's snack break time.
What are we doing here? If it's not
Morning.
time,
Ni hao, morning Uncle. Morning.
let's have a break.
Mom, one for you.
Almost 2 hours na kaming nagka-trail. Ang sabi is only 1 hour. And since spacing lang kami,
Guys,
ito,
we're almost here. We're almost on the top.
ayan yung vlogger natin na isa. So, 2:20 na kami nag-hike and distance of 4 meters na. Yung elevation, hindi ko alam kung anong elevation. Maybe later on. Let me check the elevation. So far, walk in the park lang siya. So may ascent Tapos meron, ayan, may mga part lang na lalakarin mo lang. Hindi naman siya ganun kahirap, pero siguro merong part na pocket na.
Oh my God, you got blood!
Where? It's okay. Okay.
Mom, Dad, get blood.
It's okay.
Okay, so hello
Okay.
guys.
Hmm.
So hello guys, only 500. Mom, is it 500 meters?
Walk properly.
It's only 500 meters here. Mom, is it correct 500 meters?
Oh,
Maybe.
maybe. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Update us, please.
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Saan? Hindi, kanina lang to. Oh. Can I have some updates?
Mom, I'm so tired of driving.
No update, but he's the one, guys. So this is it, guys. Less than 30 minutes. Oh, 30 minutes. Oh, hindi, 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. Lion's Rock na.
Ano?
Yung palang 15 minutes, puro patas pala yun. Where are you? At the Lion's Rock. Welcome to Lion's Rock.
Welcome to Lion's
Rock. Doon pala sa kabila tayo. Oh, take a picture muna here. Takes 5 minutes. 5-minute break.
Dad, get off your phone.
Wait lang. Let's see.
We did it!
We did it.
We did it!
Mami. Nice. We did it. So anong meron sa taas ng Lion Rock? Once you reach the summit of the Lion Rock, these are the views that you're about to see on top. Are you ready? Let's begin. In 3, 2, 1. Action!
Don't hold it. Go. Naririnig pala.
Dad!
Don't hold so they will not distracted.
Ay ka na.
Mom!
Klein! Klein!
Picture tayo, pinipicture na nila
Oh.
tayo. Dad, guys here, raise your hand.
Mom!
Tell Dad.
Dad, where's Mom?
Tell Dad, raise your hands, Dad. 2 hands.
Mom!
There.
So, nakapag-pick na kami guys. 2 pick. Yung isa, ayan, yung Lion's Rock mismo. Tapos yung isa, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag dyan. So, pababa na kami. Ayun si Mami Mau, pababa. Galing doon sa taas. And, nakakatawa lang. Kaya nyo guys, madali lang. Mami, kaya ba nila? Oh, di ba? Kaya naman. Thumbs up. Oh, di ba? Oh. So, pababa na kami. Let's see what will happen sa baba.
Dito na tayo.
Ano yung mami? Ano yung ma'am?
Mas maiksi dito.
Dahil?
Sana dito na lang tayo umakyat.
Hindi, mas okay. Okay lang yun, ginawa natin. Mas okay naman yung pinuntahan natin na ano. So, ayan. Oh guys, malapit na, puro patag na dito. Patagilid. Ayun na, puro patag na, patagilid yan, patagilid. Patagilid pa rin.
Patag,
Konti na lang, konti na. Puro patag na pala. Puro patagilid. Yes!
Finish line!
Congratulations! Congratulations! Mami! High five, ma'am! Pa, high five! We're done! Lions Rock! Oh, na-check na yan, Lions Rock. Pa-picture mo tayo dito, isang picture sa dulo, ma'am. Oh, dito sa Lions Rock. Oh, come on. Oh, lahat kayo. Ako po ng picture. Oh. Guys, kung umabot kayo sa video na ito, so I would like to express my thankful. I'm being thankful na nakarating kayo dito sa video na to. And I will put a link in the description below para doon sa Google Maps. So if you're interested to climb the Lion Rock, there is a link. All you have to do is you have Wi-Fi and a smartphone na pagdating nyo dun, i-click lang nyo yung link and then it will open the map showing the waypoints together with the landmarks. So, it will be helpful para makit nyo. But remember, when you climb, please observe the LNT principle. Leave no trace. Meaning to say, take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, and kill nothing but time. Okay? And kung nakapag-climb kayo, let me know your experience. Okay? So, link in the description below para dun sa Google Maps. I hope you like it. And let me know kung anong naging experience nyo pag-akit sa Lion Rock. Okay? Thanks!